Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I've created this silver glitter glam for you. I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. I did the base similar to my previous video, so I've just included the eyes and the rest of the skin. If you like this video, don't forget to click the little like button down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to press the little bell button below if you want to get notified when I upload as well. That will help me out heaps so you guys don't miss out on any of my videos. So yeah, if you guys want to find out how to recreate this look right here, just keep watching. Alright guys, so to start today I'm going to use Makeup Geek's Creme Brulee, and I'm just going to pop that through my crease just as my transition shade and just slowly blend that out so it's nice and even. And I'm going to add Inglots. I can't remember the exact shade, but it's just like a soft brown shade just to deepen it up a little bit. I'm going to go into my favourite eyeshadow palette ever. It's the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I'm going to pick up the burnt orange and pop that through my crease just to deepen it again a little bit more. And then just make sure it's all nice and blended. I'm going to pick up Rustic and I'm going to pop that again in the crease just as the next layer. And just blend that out again just to deepen it up. I'm going to pick up Cypress Umber. It's just like a dark brown shade just to deepen the outer corner. This shade is so good to use for like a smoky eye or any glamour eye, just to add some extra depth. And these colours are so easy to blend out as well. They're so pigmented and buttery. They literally blend like a dream. They're so good. All the Anastasia eyeshadows are amazing. I'm going to pick up my Too Faced chocolate bar palette. Chocolate gold palette, and pick up the silver shade. I'm just going to spray my brush with the Mario Badescu Rosewater spray. I'm just going to apply this all over the lid of the eye, just to act as a bit of a base because we're going to add some glitter on the top. It is a very pretty colour, this one, but I just wanted a little bit more glitter, so I'm going to pick up the Eye Candy glitter. I'll leave the shade in the comments below. It is so beautiful, you guys, and even though like it does have fallout, you can just dust that away, but it literally stays on the lid all day. It's absolutely incredible. And this particular color has a few different shades in it, so it's got like some blue undertones, some pink, some gold. It's really pretty. And just on top of that, in the center, I'm going to pick up the NYX glitter. I think it's shade number 2, and just add this right in the center to add that little bit of extra pop. Oh my god, I just dropped all of it on my sweater. On my top, literally. Oh god. But what's new with glitter? I'm just going to pick up some of those transition shades again and just blend that out with where I've popped the glitter, just so it's nice and blended. And I'm just going to add a little bit more of that glitter just in the center of the lid and then blend it out again. Just going to pick up again the Cypress Umber from the Anastasia palette just to deepen it, so we have a soft transition from the glitter to the dark brown. I'm going to use my Master Precise liquid liner from Maybelline just to very thinly line my upper lash line because we're going to apply some false ears. And I'm going to use my favourite mascara again, the Maybelline Big Shot. It's absolutely amazing. And again, I'm just going to use that glitter just to make sure it's packed on nice and evenly so we can get that nice pop. I'm just going to add my lashes. These are from Model Rock. I think it's called Devil Wears Nada, I think it's called. They are stunning. I absolutely love them. And again, I'm just going to pick up my burnt orange just to run that on my lower lash line as my first transition shade, and we're going to deepen it with the Rustic and the Cypress Umber just like the top. It's good to pop some colours on the lower lash line just to balance the eyes out so it's not too top heavy, and just make sure it's nice and blended to give that smoky effect. And that's just using my Morphe bullet brush in the rose gold edition, and just blend that out as well. I'm going to use some of my Essence Extreme Lasting Liner in the black and line my lower lash line, and I did pop some on my upper lashes as well. And then I'm just grabbing my bullet brush and blending that out so it's not a harsh black line, so it's nice and blended. And just make sure you keep blending so you have no harsh lines. And again, as throughout this whole tutorial, just make sure you keep blending the top with all the shades just so everything's nice and seamless. And then I just added some more of that mascara on my lower lashes. And then because I popped some of the translucent powder underneath, we can just quickly dust that away and we'll have nothing left on the skin. I'm going to use my Natio bronzer. I've been loving this as of late. It's so pigmented and like it's got like a soft sheen to it, which is really beautiful on the skin. And I like to pair it with my Benefit Hoola, which I love for contouring. I'm going to use this to contour the nose, so I try to just do it really lightly so it's not too heavy. So first I just pop on the shades, make the shape that I want. And then I just buff it away with my powder brush, with some of the powder that I use to set my skin, so it's nice and blended and you don't have that really harsh line there, but you'll still get the effect that you want. So I'm just going to dust that slowly away. So you still have the shadows, but just not so harsh. And then I'm just going to use some of my RCMA No Colour Powder just to define my contour before I pop on this Bobbi Brown blush, which is such a stunning colour. It's a little bit more pink than I usually go, but I'm trying to use some more shade instead of my MAC Peaches, which I absolutely love. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Contour Kit and pop some of the banana shade just on the under eyes just to brighten a little bit. And then I'm going to use my trusty old MAC Nylon for my brow bone. I love popping this there. This is literally one step I cannot skip, and if I accidentally forget it, I will be so upset for the rest of the day. But I'm also going to pop this Lit Cosmetics glitter in Hello Sunshine. It is absolutely stunning, guys. This in your inner corner looks so beautiful. I usually pop my nylon down first and then pop this glitter on. Oh, it's stunning. I'm going to use my favourite highlighter ever, the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter. So first I like to pop it on, then I spray my skin. I've been loving this Revlon Prep Set and Refresh spray. The mist on it is so beautiful. I mentioned it in my May favourites. It's amazing. And then I pop my highlighter on top and it literally makes your skin look so wet and beautiful. Oh, it's stunning. I like to pop it in like a C shape just around my brow, my cupid's bow, my chin, and a little bit on the forehead just to even it out so it's not just the cheeks. And to finish off for my lips, I'm using my MAC Subculture Lip Liner and my Lime Crime lipstick in Luna. And just on top of that, I'm going to pop on my Anastasia liquid lipstick in, I think it's Pure Hollywood or So Hollywood. I'll have to check that. I will leave it in the description box down below for you. So this is the final result right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial and using a bit of silver glitter. I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and if you did, again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the little bell button below if you do want to get notified when I upload for my future videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day.